What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. It is the motion of no confidence that was brought by the DA. Panyaza Lesufi has survived. Amazing. So that's the news that is coming out. And the votes, they stood at something like 40 something to 24 for the DA. I think it's 54 versus 24 of the DA. So it was not even a contest, not even close. And what happened, is that the DA were the only ones who simply voted against Panyaza Lesufi, and all the others, the EFF, they were not supporting the DA on this one because they are the ones who actually brought Panyaza Lesufi to be in that position. But now they are saying, guys, let's vote and remove this guy. So all these other guys refused to be used by the DA. So Panyaza Lesufi is the premier of Gauteng. I'll catch you guys on the next one.